Romans
chapter 2,
chapter 2,
21 to
21 to
chapter 3,
chapter 3,
1.
1.
You then who teach others,
who teach others,
do you not teach yourself?
do you not teach yourself?
While you preach against stealing,
While you preach against stealing,
do you steal?
do you steal?
You who say
You who say
that one must not commit
that
adultery,
one must not commit adultery,
do you commit adultery?
do you commit adultery?
You who
Who
abhor idols,
abhor idols,
do you rob temples?
do you rob temples?
You who boast
Who you boast
in the law,
in the law,
dishonor God
dishonor God
by breaking the law.
by breaking the law.
For
For
as it is written,
as it is written,
the name of God
the name of God
is blasphemed
is blasphemed
among the Gentiles
among the Gentiles
because of you.
because of you.
For circumcision
For the circumcision
indeed
indeed
is of value
is of value
if you obey the law,
if you obey the law.
but if you break the law,
But if you break the law,
your circumcision
your circumcision
becomes
becomes
uncircumcision.
uncircumcision.
So,
So,
if a man
if a man
who is uncircumcised
uncircumcised
keeps the
keeps the
precepts of the law,
precepts of the law,
will not his uncircumcision
will not his uncircumcision
be regarded
be regarded
as circumcision?
as circumcision?
Then he
Then he
who is physically
who is physically
uncircumcised
uncircumcised
but keeps the law
but keeps the law
will condemn you,
will condemn you,
who have the written code
who have the written code
and circumcision
and circumcision
but break the law.
but break the law.
For no one is a Jew
For no one is a Jew
who is merely one
who is merely one
outwardly,
outwardly,
nor is
nor is
circumcision
circumcision
outward
outward
and physical,
and physical.
but a Jew
But a Jew
is one
is one
inwardly,
inwardly,
and circumcision is a matter
and circumcision is a matter
of the heart,
of the heart,
by the Spirit,
by the Spirit,
not by the
not
letter.
by the letter.
His prize is
His prize is
not from man,
not from man,
but from God.
but from God.
Romans
Romans
chapter 3.
chapter 3.
Then what advantage
Then what advantage
has the Jew,
has the Jew,
or what is the value of circumcision?
and what is the value of circumcision?
Romans
Romans
chapter 3,
chapter 3,
2 to
2 to
11.
11.
Much
Much
in every way,
in every way,
to begin with, the Jews
to begin with, the Jews
were
were
entrusted with the
interested with the
oracles of God.
oracles of the God.
What if some were
What if some were
unfaithful?
unfaithful?
Does their faithfulness
Does their faithfulness
nullify the
nullify the
faithfulness of God?
faithfulness of God?
By no means.
By no means.
Let God be
Let God be
true,
true,
though
though
everyone were a liar.
everybody liar.
As it is written,
As it is written,
that you may be justified
that you may be justified
in your words
in your words
and prevail
and prevail
when you are judged.
when you are judged.
But if our unrighteousness
Unrighteousness
serves to show the righteousness of God,
serves to serve the righteousness of God,
what shall we say?
what shall we say?
That God is
That God is
unrighteous to
unrighteous to
inflict
inflict
wrath on us.
wrath on us.
I speak in a
I speak in
human way.
human way.
By no means.
By no means.
For then,
For them,
how could God judge the world?
how would God judge the world?
But if through
But if through
my lie,
my life,
God's truth
God's truth
abounds to his glory,
abounds to His glory,
why am I still
why am I still
being condemned
being condemned
as a sinner?
as a sinner?
And why not
And why not
do evil
do evil
that good
that could
may come?
become?
As some people
So some people
slanderously
slanderously
charges with saying
with saying
their condemnation
through condemnation
is just.
is just.
What then?
What then?
Are we Jews
Are we Jews
any better off?
any better off?
No,
No,
not at all.
not at all.
For we have
But we have
already charged that all,
already tried to do that all.
both Jews
Both the Jews
and Greeks,
and Greeks
are under sin.
are under sin.
As it is written,
As it is written,
none is righteous,
one is righteous.
no,
No,
not one.
not one.
No one understands.
No one understands.
No one seeks for God.
No one seeks for God.